Medical professionals often advise against certain foods that are detrimental to the heart, stomach, and liver. But have you ever thought about how your dietary choices might be impacting your kidneys? With almost 30 million Americans living with chronic kidney disease, it's crucial to be mindful of your diet, especially when it comes to controlling sodium, potassium, and phosphorus intake. Let's delve into some foods that could be exacerbating kidney problems. But before we get into that, let's discuss why the kidneys are so essential. Shaped like beans, the kidneys perform numerous critical tasks in the body, including filtering the blood, removing waste through urine, producing hormones, regulating minerals, and balancing bodily fluids. Kidney failure can arise from a variety of causes, with uncontrolled diabetes and high blood pressure being the most common. When the kidneys are damaged, they struggle to filter the blood effectively, leading to a buildup of waste and fluids in the body. However, by following a kidney-friendly diet and avoiding or limiting certain foods, it's possible to support kidney function and reduce further damage. Now, let's shift our focus to the foods that could be worsening your kidney health. 1. Avocados. Avocados are often praised as a superfood, rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. However, if you have kidney issues, avocados might not be your friend. The reason lies in their high potassium content. For someone with healthy kidneys, the recommended daily intake of potassium is 4,700 milligrams. But if your kidneys are compromised, you should aim for a range between 1,500 and 2,700 milligrams. A single avocado contains about 700 milligrams of potassium, so those with kidney disease should limit their intake or stick to a small portion of avocado. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, whether eaten raw, in soups or sauces, are another food that may not be ideal for a kidney-friendly diet due to their high potassium levels. For instance, 1 cup of tomato sauce contains up to 728 milligrams of potassium. While tomatoes are a staple in many dishes, there are plenty of tasty low-potassium alternatives to choose from, like roasted red pepper sauce, which can provide similar flavor with fewer calories and less potassium. 3. Spinach. Spinach, which has long been celebrated as a health food, can be harmful to people with kidney disease, primarily due to its oxalate content. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds found in many foods, and they are linked to the formation of kidney stones, 80% of which are made up of calcium oxalate. People prone to kidney stones are advised to consume only 40 to 50 milligrams of oxalates daily. Spinach, however, contains about 100 milligrams per serving. Additionally, spinach is high in potassium, with uncooked spinach containing between 136 and 290 milligrams per cup. Cooking spinach reduces its volume but not its potassium content, so half a cup of cooked spinach can actually contain more potassium than a cup of raw spinach. 4. Pickles. Pickles are a popular snack in many households, but they can be problematic for those with kidney concerns due to their high sodium content. The recommended daily sodium intake for a healthy adult is between 1,500 and 2,300 milligrams, and a single pickle can contain up to 1,200 milligrams of sodium, about 80% of the daily recommended amount. Foods that are cured or pickled, such as pickles, processed olives, and relishes, often have high sodium levels. A diet high in sodium can contribute to high blood pressure and kidney stones, so it's best to limit or avoid these foods. 5. Apricots. Apricots are a delicious fruit rich in vitamins A and C, as well as copper. However, they are also high in potassium. A cup of fresh sliced apricots contains 427 milligrams of potassium, while dried apricots can have as much as 1.5 grams per ounce. For those on a low potassium diet, just 1 cup of dried apricots could put them over their daily limit. Therefore, apricots, especially the dried variety, should be avoided by those following a kidney-friendly diet. 6. Potatoes and sweet potatoes. Potatoes and sweet potatoes are starchy vegetables that are also rich in potassium. A medium-sized baked potato has around 610 milligrams of potassium, while a similarly sized baked sweet potato contains about 542 milligrams. Fortunately, you can reduce the potassium content in these vegetables by soaking or double cooking them. Studies have shown that soaking potatoes in water for 5 to 10 minutes or cooking them in cold water can significantly lower their potassium levels. However, even after double cooking, potatoes still contain some potassium, so it's important to monitor your intake. 7. Sodas. Sodas, especially dark-colored varieties, not only deliver empty calories and sugar, but also contain phosphorus-based additives. Phosphorus is vital for healthy bones and teeth, but excessive consumption of phosphorus additives can be harmful, particularly for those with kidney disease. A single can of soda can contain between 50 and 100 milligrams of added phosphorus, which is more easily absorbed by the body than naturally occurring phosphorus. Because phosphorus from additives isn't bound to proteins, it's more readily absorbed into the bloodstream. Be cautious when consuming sodas and check for phosphorus additives on product labels, even though the exact amount used isn't always disclosed. 8. Oranges. Oranges are a popular and well-loved fruit, but their high potassium levels can pose a risk for individuals with kidney issues. Kidney disease often leads to the accumulation of potassium and other minerals in the blood, which can result in serious heart complications. A single orange contains roughly 330 milligrams of potassium, while an 8-ounce glass of orange juice packs about 458 milligrams. For those with kidney concerns, better options include fruits like grapes, apples, and cranberries, along with their juices, as they are lower in potassium and more kidney-friendly. 9. Whole wheat bread. Choosing the right type of bread can be confusing for people with kidney disease. Although whole wheat bread is often hailed as a healthier alternative to white bread due to its higher fiber content and richer nutrient profile, it may not be the best choice for those with kidney issues. Whole wheat bread contains more phosphorus and potassium, which can be problematic for kidney patients. For instance, one slice of whole wheat bread has around 75 milligrams of phosphorus and 69 milligrams of potassium. When making a sandwich, these amounts quickly add up. In contrast, white bread has much lower levels, with only about 29 milligrams of each mineral per slice. Therefore, white bread is generally recommended over whole wheat for individuals managing kidney disease. 10. Bananas. For those with chronic kidney disease, managing potassium intake is crucial. The kidneys are responsible for filtering the blood and removing excess potassium through urine. Bananas are one of the most well-known sources of potassium, with a single banana containing around 422 milligrams of this mineral. While bananas are delicious and low in calories, they can quickly contribute a significant portion of your daily potassium allowance. If you're advised to keep your potassium intake between 1,500 and 2,700 milligrams per day, a single banana could provide 15 to 28% of that limit. Therefore, it's important for individuals with kidney disease to limit or avoid bananas to prevent excess potassium buildup.